Well, it is safe to say I'm completely done with the ErgoPi project. Now, the Raspberry Pi is mounted in the spot that I said it was going to be mounted, right there on the back of the monitor, with its usual connections, which I went over in parts 1 and 2. So if you want to see those, then you can. And on the front, we have the same old Dell monitor, and so that's pretty much it. I switched from a wired mouse to a wireless mouse. It also made mounting it a little bit easier. Now, I got the HDMI to DVI adapter forever ago, and I completely finished the ErgoPi, as you can see. But I've been caught up with school, and I just finished the writing part of driver's ed. And so it's kind of been a hectic schedule, and that's really why I haven't posted that many videos lately. But of course, we're going to go ahead and power up the ErgoPi, just as promised. So here we go. Monitor didn't turn on when I turned on the power strip. Usually does. But as you can see here, we have the full Raspberry Pi boot screen. It boots into the regular desktop environment. So as you can see, it's kind of doing its thing. Move this back a little bit. I want to get a better view of the whole screen. Okay, that's about good. As you can see, it comes up into the desktop environment, which is LXDE. Now, I plan on hooking a pair of computer speakers up to it, but I don't have them at the moment. I am able to get some, however. And also, one of my favorite things about it is the full HTML5 browser. And I also have, like I said in the part 1, part 2, a Wi-Fi dongle. So I have full internet access on here. It's a bit slow, but the HTML5 browser works just fine. I'm on Google. That's the home page. If I want to, say, check my Gmail, I can check my Gmail account. It is a bit slow, and for some reason on this browser it displays as the old, just like the old crappy Gmail, like HTML1 or something, just from back in the day. You get what I'm saying. I can also go to YouTube, which I will do now. And the best thing I like about it is that I can actually watch videos on YouTube. And it runs at a pretty good rate of speed too. I was actually surprised that the Raspberry Pi could do a good rate on YouTube. YouTube, as you can see, takes a couple minutes. My sister's been looking at girly videos on my account again, so I'm really not lying to you. She really does do that. I'm so sorry. As you can see, there's something I was watching, that right there, and that. So, like, let's watch the homemade helicopter. And like I said, I did not have sound. At first, it'll say missing plug-in, but then once the page is completely done loading, it will actually display the video. As you can see, it's trying to do. There we go. And no, this isn't the new YouTube player. It's kind of using the browser's little own custom player to actually display the video. That's probably one of the reasons why it runs at such a good rate of speed. As you can see, it displays perfectly. I'm going to try full screen. Look at that, full screen works too. Well, give it a minute, it'll probably unjam itself. I have not tried full screen, so it doesn't look like it's working too well. I wish I could do YouTube's bigger player mode and like just make it do the whole screen without full screen. Everybody knows that little mode. But as you can see here, YouTube works perfectly. You can also do tab browsing, all that. I like looking at the oatmeal. Funny comic site. I suggest you look at it if you haven't. If you really like seeing funny stuff. Also has Minecraft and Raspberry Pi built in. As you can see here, I can play a game of Minecraft Pi. Just normal little player in Minecraft. Yeah, that's one of the things I like about it. I also have a little bit of programs installed. I have Genie installed for writing on Python. I have the Raspberry Pi camera enabled. So let's see if I can do that. Have to go into the terminal for that. So you can see it really is the regular Raspberry Pi, just at a very good frame rate and resolution. I accidentally canceled out the terminal. It's really a better experience. It's like using a full computer, because I used to have this hooked up to a little TV through composite, and now that I've gotten this adapter, I can use it on the monitor. Let's see here. Let's see if the camera works. I set it as a PNG file, so it won't try to display in NetSurf, because then it's really slow looking at a picture on NetSurf. Let's see here. Come here, you pesky camera. Sit down here among everything else. I'm gonna try and point at the camera. I'm just pointing at my nightstand. There's my nightstand with my awesome little lamp. And it just took a picture. And just like usually with the Raspberry Pi camera, you can view the little picture it took. Let's see here. As you can see there's my awesome lamp, because I'm awesome. And then other than that, it just has the regular programs that come built in on the Raspberry Pi. But it really is cool using the ErgoPi. This is more or less going to be my little project computer. I mean, it's right here at my little project desk. If I'm working on something, I need to look something up, I just open up the web browser and it's right there. I'm free to look it up. I haven't had a desktop computer in a while since my Dell Dimension 8400 stopped working. But it is pretty obvious that this is a pretty good replacement, and it's more or less all I need. I mainly edit my videos on our family's laptop, and that's pretty much how I've been doing editing my videos right now. You can't really have that much capability on the Raspberry Pi, but maybe one day somebody will port one over to Raspberry Pi. I mean, they've already ported a HTML5 browser, the Wolfram language, Python. That'll probably work on any version of Linux. Mathematica, I mean, and Minecraft, even Minecraft, especially Minecraft. I love Minecraft, but you know, they kind of done everything. I mean, the Raspberry Pi really is a truly neat computer and has many possibilities. And my little project just shows one of the possibilities it has. So, it's getting at the 9-minute, 15-second mark at the moment. So, I'm going to go on off and I'll see you guys later.